Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from veganchoicefoods.com. Come on in, family. Come on this morning, family. We're making some banana porridge. Banana porridge, family. She's making some banana porridge. Banana porridge. So she's starving at the moment, right?
Yeah.
Starving is now when you're pregnant, family. You've been starving. We want to give the baby the right food that is rich in iron. So making some banana porridge at the moment. Kitchen is a mess, as you can see, family. As you can see, kitchen is a mess. We're making banana porridge. So what to do first? Peel your banana. And you actually, when you feel you could make the banana with the skin, just watch it and cut it with the skin. You ever try that yet? What do you think about that? Yeah?
We could try that.
Would you eat it with the skin like that?
No.
Why? You know the green, a lot of minerals in the skin, you know that.
Yeah.
So would you try it like that? Try it like that. Just blend it up with the skin and then put it to boil.
Well, for now, let's just try it like that.
We have to try it like that one day.
Because the skin is in the dustbin.
Yeah, family. Yeah, guys. So as you can see, family, I have my ground food. I'm gonna cut this pumpkin right now, family. But as you know, as you rise in the morning, you get a lot of thoughts, you get a lot of download because you're connected with nature. When you wake up in the morning, you shouldn't be waking up like just with nothing. You should be waking up with a download from Jah. A lot of people just live this life and they don't get downloads. They don't get downloads from nature. If you can get downloads from nature, family, it means that your life is moving forward. Because if you're in a situation, you wake up in the morning, first thing you should wake up with a solution for your problems. And a lot of people don't do that because they're eating foods that made from a laboratory and that made from, doesn't come from nature, family. When you think about it, it's so mind-boggling to see that somebody can eat something from an animal. Something from an animal and something that a man created in a laboratory, like hybridize some things and put it together and make a product. I don't see how people can eat that when the ground is ground. When we die, we go back into the ground. The ground gives us everything. The ground gives us water, food, plants, herbs, fruits. It's just crazy to see someone who wants to eat something, that comes from a laboratory. And, there's a lot of products right now made in the laboratory. They put it in the ground and it cannot reproduce itself because it's just like, genetically modified. And we want to teach you guys at Vegan Choice Foods how to go back to nature, how to go back to God, and how to get these downloads in the morning, family. We have some ginger right here that we put in our water. I have my key lime right here. First thing in the morning. First thing we do when we wake up, make some key lime water. Sometimes we add a little ginger. We get some flavor. Sen on. Never again. Sen on the alkaline food. Sen on never again. Me get alkaline like a alkaline. When your body is alkaline, you can't get no disease. No disease can come in an alkaline body. You get disease when your body is acidic. So you must make sure you get alkaline to rise up the dick. Remember, Ankeru, I tell you that veganchoicefoods.com is the place for basic health. Everything is Dr. Sebi approved. So, first thing we do when we wake, we key lime first. Make sure me get some key lime in my spring water. We come from under the earth. Yeah, family, it's a freestyle. It's a free Thursday, family. Freestyle Thursday. So I have my key lime in this right now, family. So I'm gonna add some water to this. And if you see me using tap water, family, this is not no chlorine or no fluoride water. This water comes straight from way down under the ground. That man don't go. This is borehole water. So research borehole water, family. Then you will know that this is real spring water. They dig way down in the ground until we get spring water. Way down in the ground until we get spring water, family. Way down in the ground until we get spring water. So, what you need to do with this now, sweetie? You need to add some, we have a clean pot there. Add the water and put it on. What about that one on the ground there? 32, let's see if we can let that wash. Can fast. While we get our banana porridge. Alright, so this is our key lime. We add a little bit ginger. And first thing. Guys, you just wake up in the morning and just feel like you're going to eat on the place. That's not right. That's not good. Yeah, family. So as you can see, guys, I have my hot warm water. This is how you make the banana porridge. I'm gonna blend up this. Gonna add a little water and blend it up. Yeah, family. So as you can see, we have the blender right here. So I'm blending up now. I'm blending up. Turn him on your head. When I had it to the pot, you have to have a spoon. A nice little spoon. Nice little spoon. Stir it up. Yeah, family, so as you can see, just adding the banana right now, we're gonna allow it to cook. But in the meantime, family, you have to stir it so it don't get lumpy and it don't get foamy. In the meantime, family, you gotta stir it up. Stew it up. Stew it all up. Stew it up. I know, baby. Yeah, family, so I'll be cutting this bad boy pumpkin. I'll be cutting to get the pumpkin and the seed. Let the games begin in cutting this pumpkin. Wow, family, it's so pretty. Look at it. Wow, so pretty, so nice. This pumpkin, it's gonna be so delicious, as you can see how it look. Now I'm gonna get my pumpkin seed up with the pumpkin seed. Real pumpkin seed, no fake pumpkin seed. We have to get the real thing. No fake thing, no man-made thing. Real thing. So guys, this is pumpkin. This family, so as you can see, the porridge is done. The porridge is done, family, but you now have to spice up mine. So what I'll be doing, family, I'll be making some coconut. I'll be adding some coconut milk. Just like when we used to grow up back in the country. In the countryside, we used to make cornmeal porridge with coconut milk, guys. So we're bringing it back to what we used to eat. You know, even though we can afford, you know what I mean, Babylon food, and that's why most people get tricked. Most people get tricked in this thing. Because when I used to be young, I used to eat food from nature. Now you're rich and have money, you're gonna eat Babylon man-made food. And that's the reason why you find, say, people that live in the village and live off of nature, live so long until they are 90. And the one who live in the city, they have a lot of disease, family. So bringing it back to nature, back to God. Yes, family. So as you can see, I have my coconut ready to be blended, and I had dates for the little sweetener. So let's do this, family. Let's blend up this coconut and get some milk to put in this awesome banana porridge. Yeah, family. So today is the day. Today I'll be shipping out your sea moss. Purpose heading to the shipping center right now. Heading to the shipping center to ship this out to you now. So let's go on this journey while I ship out your 92 minerals. While I ship out your 92 minerals. So guys, I'm out.
Ready for the fries.
Love, family, once again. So after I deliver your sea moss, as you can see, guys, I deliver your sea moss. So stop by the mall in Nairobi. It's called Service Center for a nice vegan meal. So guys, I'm actually at the East Indian, Chicago East Indian, family. And it's the mall. On top of the mall, you have so many restaurants. So I like to come at this restaurant to eat. Grab my tomato. This is coconut. This is pepper. This is actually tambra. Favorite. This is some freshly squeezed passion fruit. So I'm just waiting for my meal while I enjoy this juice, fresh juice from Nature Factory. So I'm out. One love. Positive. Family, so baby mother have our food right there.
You're eating for two.
And I'm waiting for my East Indian food. Really enjoying this right now. This sauce is so delicious.
Very nice.
Yeah, family. So my food has arrived. This is what I'm eating. Some chickpeas. This reminds me of when I was in Trinidad. This is Trinidad food. This is food in Trinidad. Alright, family, I'm out. VeganChoiceFoods.com, the home of basic health. Go and check it out now.